and also all the respected friends and participants who have joined here, participate in this Biochar Club meeting. I am enjoying for the first time, sir. You can call me as a baby of this club or society. To start with, because basically I am from agriculture field. I do farming. Theoretically and practically both sides knowledge I have. Okay, that's one thing. What I wanted to specify here, sir, is that farmers are cultivating different type of crops, especially in rain-fed type of agriculture. We have a lot of what Mr. Babu was telling. I want just go a little further, one or two steps more. Thousands of tons of biomass in terms of cotton residue, red gram crop residue, and castor residue, cash crop residue, and also green gram, black gram. So many other crops are being grown by the farmers. Most of these leftover stubbles are being burned, physically burned by the farmers. We have been telling in our training programs and meetings not to burn, put it in a pit, convert it to vermicompost and use it to the fields and all. That's all we have been telling. But the intricacies and problems of labor, water, this and that, everything, most of the farmers also are not interested to do such hard work to convert into biomanure, that is vermicompost manure. Now, my big question is, if we can have a very good mechanism to convert all these entire thousands, I cannot give you the figure also. How many tons of biomass I have in my own mandal, forget about the district or the country. So, if we have good proper mechanisms to convert this biomass into a suitable biochar sort of thing, and if that we can apply it to the farmer fields, how to apply it, how to go into that sector is that I have a few suggestions from my side, sir. First of all, let us call it as a biochar society. But to further go into that, if you instead of calling only biochar society, I will call it as a farmers biochar group society. That is, a farmer producer organizations are already being promoted by the government. FPOs they are called. FPOs, what they do is they are only registered under the Societies Act. So they are initially they are the first groups who can be trained, who can be sensitized, where awareness can be brought into these FPO groups, and when they do good work, they can be again registered as FPC under Companies Act, as we discussed. So they can become a Companies Act. Once we get the registration under Companies Act, they become FPCs, Farmer Producer Company, and that will be helped by the Government of India. There is an organization which is going to help the small and marginal farmers for FPCs. They have liaison with all the companies, they have liaison nationally, internationally, forward linkage, backward linkage, everything they give, and they help it's a government sector and they help these FPCs. So my big question is, important question is, what is the best mechanism to convert this biomass into biochar, which can be reused by the farmer into the same field and get the benefits out of it. Now another point is that how many nutrients, what are the increase or deficiency arising in nutrients. See, after all crops, you require nutrients. So by using biochar, what is happening to the nutrient content? When I am talking about vermicompost, natural vermicompost, I say it has got 60 nutrients for the farmer, for the crop. But I don't know how many type of nutrients or what content is there in biochar. I don't have the knowledge.
Because you rightly said you are new to this group.
Yes.
I think
we can
whatever you
once
said
talk will be better.
Yeah.
is like everybody can extend. Most of them are highly experienced. You also have traditional ability.
Yes.
So maybe we need an intensive training.
Intensive discussion on
Yeah.
that.
Now 2 days training you put up. Then only doubts are clear. This kind of meetings will be very.
We are talking at the periphery level of top of the pyramid.
Yes.
Unless until you go down to the bottom, I think Sir was just telling, I have been constructing these composting units at all market yards to take the vegetable waste or the waste which is coming over there into a good soil conditioner. We are not getting people to do it there. When I just brought all the analysis and done everything, the farmers are happy. Few progressive farmers are happy. What is now is just go down to the people where there is a waste. Start working on it. Then go talking on these things about webinars, seminars, do not do anything. Go down to the bottom. Ask the
Bring the benefits, show the benefits.
Ask the
to
farmer what you
farmer.
want.
Farmers will
Do
social
something.
media.
Yes.
I agree
Yes.
with you.
Yes, sir.